Welcome to another episode of Maintenance Mondays. I'm Russ Clark, and I'm the Sales Director and a Reliability Analyst here at Technical Associates of Charlotte. Today I've got with me one of our RDI units. We are a certified service provider of RDI motion amplification, and we use both the IRIS-M as well as the IRIS-MX cameras along with the accompanying software. What is really cool about motion amplification is that instead of just looking at spectral data like we would collect with a vibration analyzer and the time waveform data and making a call based off of that, we can actually go and record video and then process it using the software that is running on this computer. And based on that, we can actually see the physical motion between two areas of interest. So that could be a motor and the base, a motor and a driven unit. Just two areas of interest, we can see what the relative motion is. And then we can go and take that data and turn it into a video to show the customer. Frequently it's easier for us to understand and process movement when we can actually physically see it, as opposed to just reading a piece of paper that has a spectrum, a time waveform, and the accompanying analysis. So if you are interested in this or any of the other services that we offer here, please give us a call at 704-333-9011 or visit us online at www.technicalassociates.net.